Nature. That's why I come out here. Looky right there, that is the American bald eagle. I'm gonna try and sneak up on this guy. You gotta be sneaky in nature. And we might get real close to this American bald eagle. Looky there. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely fantastic. I love nature. What in the hell is it doing? Eat it already. There it went. Yummy! And I'll take a drink with that. Yeah!
I'm gonna dive into the boat.
We do not want any chickens on the rock.
Chicken man!
Chicken.
Rock on!
Rock on, rock and roll! Almost as terrifying as if I threw that into the boat with him. It's gonna be right there, waiting. My friends, this here is an elephantitis fly. It will bite the living shit out of you. It's a real dick. Come here! Come here! Come here! You have been such a very bad fly. You, my friend, are fixing to get waterboarded. You little bastard are getting waterboarded again. Oh! Oh, that wasn't very nice now, wasn't it? Oh, you want to get a little bit mean? You want to get mean? Come on! Let me go! Let me go! Now you, my friend, I am going to let go. I'm a vegetarian now. I do not have the heart to kill you. Do not bite any more human beings. Go find a horse. You, my friend, go pick on someone your own size. I'm gonna get you. Get away. Get away. Get away. I don't want to kill you. We're here doing a little fishing today, and some tree huggers say it's very cruel. But I have you know that if those fish were big enough, they would eat you. It's a monster. And look at that. Look at that. Just, I mean, look at that. I'm telling you that it would eat you. If this fish was big enough, it would eat you. This is just proof. That is what I used for bait, and it wants to eat you. And you're gonna go swim in this river. You're crazy. I'm gonna make sure that this fish is not harmed. Well, just look at that. I got a cooter in my pocket, and I love cooters. Did you know we don't have sea turtles here in West Virginia, but we got a lot of cooters. And because I love these cooters, I'm letting this cooter go. No animals have been hurt in the filming of this, but I have to tell you, people all over West Virginia want to drink bottled water because they say the water's poisonous here. And it might be, but they make thousands and thousands of dollars worth of filters that you can buy. So don't drink this bottled water. Just invest in $5,000 filter like you know you can afford, so you can save the cooters. Don't you be a cooter killer because of your stupid bottled water. You stupid cooter killer.